So finally we got the iQOO 11 Pro leak from a tipster. It will come with a super fast 200 watt wired charging. So it will be so amazing to see that how fast it can charge the phone. Even it's all the components in the top gear and its performance looks like a killer. So hey guys, this is Gizmo and today we will talk about the most awaited Vivo iQOO 11 Pro whose specifications surfaced on the internet. The link you can find in the description. According to the source, the iQOO 11 Pro will come with a 144Hz AMOLED panel that features 1800 nits peak brightness, which means you can enjoy the movies while sitting in the sun. As for the cameras, the iQOO 11 Pro is also expected to come with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX866 sensor. Another 50 megapixel features a 150-degree ultra-wide lens and a 13 megapixel portrait camera. For making video calls and shooting selfies, the phone could continue to use a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. The iQOO 11 Pro will bring a 200 watt super fast charger to charge its 4700 mAh battery capacity. I feeling amazing to share its charging speed. According to the company claims, this charger can charge this phone from 0% to 100% in just 9 little minutes. With the launch expected to happen in China, what remains to be seen is how soon will iQOO brings the phone to India and other global markets. The phone will run on Android 13 and it will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. So that's all we have right now. We will definitely notify you more, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video. We will meet you in new one. Thanks for watching.